There's the hooch. Now, this old hooch is my fallback, you know. And inside this hooch, I got water feed. I got electricity. I got heat. I'm dry. And in the wintertime, I'm warm. Got plenty of wood in these old woods. But anyway, you got to be prepared. You know, it's not just about wood and heat and being able to cook. You got to have a certain amount of tools. You got to be able to repair your roof. You got to be able to move heavy loads from time to time. And that's what we're going to cover right now. What you're looking at right here is a block and tackle system. These are 7,000 pound rated blocks. This one is rated whatever that 5/16 bolt would take. But that's 7,500 pound rated. It's 11,000 pound rated rope. You got to have something to move heavy with, and you can't beat a block. That's 200 foot of rope. And I got another 50 foot I can drag on block and still put out 200 foot of rope. So I can move something 50 foot. I can move it a lot further than that if I don't need all my rope. This is a necessity. If you're going to live in the woods, you got yourself stuck in here, you need a block and tackle. Something at least rated for 5,000 pounds. Yeah, probably won't move nothing that heavy, but that's why I bought this, way more than I need. I broke this rope with it, and it stayed in one piece. You can get them on eBay, and you can get them on Amazon Zone. But at any rate, that's what you need. You need at least 200 foot of rope and another 40, 50 foot of block pull. In other words, I'm saying you got 200 foot of rope and your two ends of your blocks are 40, 50 foot apart minimum. That's what you need. You don't want to move something 10 foot at a time, for Christ's sakes. So you got to think about that. But that's block and tackle, y'all. I'm gonna go now. That's the bucket. I keep it in the hoops, keep the top on it, keep it dry. Thank y'all for watching. From the woods. Otaka.